Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is oxygen depleting from Earth's water. In a recent study, scientists have raised concerns about the depleting presence of dissolved oxygen in water bodies across Earth. Aquatic deoxygenation has been emerging as one of the greatest risks to life on the planet. Dissolved oxygen is crucial for healthy aquatic ecosystems, both marine and freshwater. Scientists have proposed adding aquatic deoxygenation to the list of planetary boundaries as the 10th tipping point. There are various reasons why the concentration of dissolved oxygen has decreased. First, increased temperatures. Second, algal blooms due to increased use of fertilizers. And third, decaying algae and aquatic plants. The impact are as follows. Deoxygenation can result in dead zones where fish and marine life struggle to survive due to lack of oxygen. Some species may move to other areas with higher oxygen levels, disrupting the ecosystem's balance. Drinking water quality can reduce. Let's now discuss planetary boundaries. The concept of planetary boundaries was introduced in 2009 to define the environmental limits within which humanity can safely operate to maintain Earth's stability and biodiversity. Breaching of these boundaries doesn't indicate an immediate catastrophe, but raises the risk of irreversible environmental changes. Current planetary boundaries include climate change, ocean acidification, stratospheric ozone depletion, rate of biodiversity loss, global freshwater use, land system change, chemical pollution, and more. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, biological oxygen demand is related to which of the following? Measuring oxygen levels in blood, computing oxygen levels in forest ecosystems, pollution assay in aquatic ecosystems, or assessing oxygen levels in high altitude regions. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.